On March 30th, 2025, officers met with a victim of a potential identity theft case. Eventually, they arrested the suspect while she was driving her car. Here's how it goes.
She got a text from the bank. You know, I don't know how they thought it was kind of fraudulent, but anyway, they sent her a message wanting to know if it was him or not using the card. I don't know how she replied to it or not, but since then I have canceled the card.
Okay.
But so he was in one of the like massage chairs, I guess, at the mall, and he had put his wallet between his legs, probably because it's really fat and he doesn't want to carry it. But anyway, when he got up, he walked away without it. So somebody picked it up.
Okay.
So, and then we just noticed, well, he talked to an officer there, and they gave him a little card with a number on it and stuff. And then later on, that's about 5 o'clock is when we got the thing saying they were trying to use it at Publix, his debit card.
Okay.
Did it go through?
That I'm not sure about.
Because he doesn't
still-
have his wife.
Right, it still doesn't show that it doesn't even show that it's pending. It shows the charges there.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it looks like to me that they charged $8.64 for something, maybe to see if the card was going to work.
And it went through?
And it went through.
Okay.
And then the next one, it doesn't even give a post date yet or anything. Maybe I got it canceled before. I'm not really sure about that. It was just, my wife's like, listen, if they try to use it, maybe they can, if they got a time frame and a location, maybe they can do something about it. But
Okay.
we're not really sure, so.
Okay.
Stupid question. You guys want to pursue charges for the fraudulent use of the debit card?
I mean, he had $140 in cash in his wallet, which I'm not really thrilled that he was carrying that much cash, but he just got a job, so the cash and then the $233 that he spent at the store, that's like a week and a half worth of work for him. He busts his tables. And so you're asking, do we want to press charges?
For the fraudulent use of the debit card?
Yeah, for the debit card.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you knew who it was and you had them or whatever, I think we
it'd have to
probably
be
would.
investigated.
Right.
So.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, if you guys investigated it and did that, I mean, I think we would.
Well, as of right now, you want to pursue charges because here's the way. Like,
Okay.
The reason I'm asking is because
I'm just going to step back because the sun's in my right
hey,
ear.
get comfy, man.
Yeah.
Do you? So the reason I ask is because if you don't want to pursue charges, we don't want to waste man hours looking
Right.
for someone that you don't want to go to jail.
Hey,
Okay?
grab your mom, will you?
So that's why I'm asking.
Yeah.
If you do want to pursue charges, sure, we'll investigate this to the ends of the earth. We're
Okay.
trying to find them.
Let me just I'll grab her
Uh-huh.
and she can give her 2 cents in too. But
Yes.
I mean, it wasn't like a whole lot of money,
Mm-hmm.
you know, but to him it is because,
I get it.
you know, he doesn't.
He worked for it.
Yeah. But he's learning the hard way, you know.
Yeah.
Not everybody out there is honest.
Yeah. So in regards to the wallet itself, he lost it.
Yeah,
The fact that someone
left
picked it up.
Yes.
Mm.
So really, I
debit
understand there's
card
not
is
much
the
you
issue.
can do with the cash.
Yeah.
That's hearsay how much was in there.
Yeah. So,
And,
but
but
the debit card
the
issue,
debit card
someone
issue.
trying to use that.
Hi, guys.
Howdy.
So they're basically
Nice.
asking,
Right.
if we would like to pursue charges on the people that use the debit card.
I mean, I would say, yeah, they're fraudulently using his card. So, I mean, that's
Okay, they just don't want to waste man hours if we're not going to see it through.
right.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
yeah,
if you
no,
don't want to pursue
absolutely.
charges, then
I
we
mean,
don't
I
want
don't like that they have his driver's license, too. They know where we live, whoever did this.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
to. Gotcha.
Yeah.
So I guess I would say yes then.
Okay.
Only $233, but
Got your notepad?
2 days later, on April 1st, 2025, cops conducted a surprise traffic stop on the suspect in question to verify whether she had committed the fraud or not.
Hello. How you doing? I'm Detective Gank with the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, okay? We got an active investigation going on with you. On top of the fact that you're driving a learner's permit without someone else in the car with you, right? You got to have someone without a license over 21. Hey, I'm talking with you. You got to pay attention to me. What we're talking about is pretty important, okay? That being said, it's super dangerous for me right here on the side of the road, and for you being here, we're going to have you step out and talk on the side. You're all right with that, right? Okay. Hey. You need to step out. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of this car. If you don't, you're going to be arrested for resisting. Go step by the front of that patrol car.
I'm escorting you. I don't want you to get hit by a car. Right over here.
All right. This is going to go down. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with you. These guys are super genuine and cooperative all the time, and for some reason or another, you just want to sit on your phone and not talk to us, even though this is... I understand that, but this is pretty important.
My daughter's important too.
Alrighty. So you're detained for a criminal investigation at this point in time, okay? Right, I'll talk to you about the case if you're alright with that. You want to have a conversation about why you're in handcuffs today?
What criminal investigation?
Or you want to be taken straight to jail?
I would like to talk.
A fraud. We can figure
Fraud
this out.
for what?
If I talk to you, it's going to be at our office and we can have a conversation about it there. Other than that, if you don't want to talk, we're going straight to jail.
I'm fine talking, but I would like to
All right,
know
well,
why.
we'll talk to you about it. It's a fraud. I have reason to believe you're involved in a fraud, okay? And with that being said, I'd like to talk to you about it, but it's going to be in a controlled environment at the sheriff's office instead of in the heat out here in this dangerous area. Okay? Sounds like a plan?
Yep.
This is my thought process here. Hear me out. She doesn't have the credit card on her in her person, right? I mean,
Do we know if she doesn't?
I don't know. I don't want to talk about it till we get in the room.
Okay.
So
You just want to tow this to impound is what you want?
we could. Yeah, we could. It could be in the car.
Could be.
So I would say we just tow it to impound.
Tow the car to our impound. Yeah, I think so too. The only thing that's in there that they might need is a car seat for a baby, which grandmother's supposed to be on her way here, so I don't know if you want grandma to come take that out, just so that she has a car seat and be done with it, and then we tow it to her impound.
I agree. That sounds fine with me.
Sounds good?
Yeah, and then we'll tape the doors up.
We're not sure if the credit card's in here or not. But we have enough.
She said she doesn't have a wallet, but the credit card could be in here.
Yeah, she only had her phone. So.
She tossed her phone down too.
Oh, she did? Yeah. We're gonna see if we're gonna impound this or not because okay, then that's good.
Wait on grandma to come get the kid's person, or we can go
Okay,
to rich grandma.
because there was a stolen credit card. It might be in the car, so she's involved with that. She used a person's credit card that
So we're good. there.
wasn't hers. That's
Just wanted to
public. Grandma.
Yeah, it must be.
Alrighty. Hey, that car seat in the back of the car. This truck's gonna end up getting towed.
Can you take the car seat out, please?
That's what I was gonna ask you if that's okay with you, so I can make sure your daughter has. I forgot. Was it a daughter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I wanted to make sure. She has something safe to ride in. All right, so if that's okay with you, I'll take the car seat out for you, and I can give that to. Is this grandma? Okay. All right, that's a plan.
How long is it going to be?
Our conversation? I couldn't tell you. We'll just figure it out together. I got to show you a couple things, talk to you about it. We'll sit down. It's nothing scary or spooky. This is not like a controlled environment that we like to do. I'd much rather you be in the AC and not me and you. And it's just a lot easier than
I'm
this.
just asking because I'm at work right now. I'm clocked out on break.
Okay. Well,
She was charged with 2 counts of ID fraud and 1 count of petty theft. Thanks for watching the videos. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. I will see you in the next on.